In today's digital age, social media influencers have become the new health gurus, and let's be honest, they're everywhere. From Instagram to TikTok, these influencers are shaping our health choices faster than you can say, kale smoothie. You might be scrolling through your feed, and suddenly, you're convinced that you need to try that bizarre detox tea or the latest fitness craze that promises to turn you into a superhero overnight. But hold on a second. While it's great to be inspired, it's crucial to understand how these influencers can sway our decisions about health and wellness. So, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and before you dive headfirst into the latest health craze, take a moment to think critically about what you're consuming, both online and off. After all, your health is not just a trend, it's a lifelong commitment. In recent years, social media influencers have skyrocketed to fame, becoming the modern-day health gurus we never knew we needed. Gone are the days when we relied solely on doctors and nutritionists for advice. Now, we have a plethora of influencers sharing their wellness journeys, fitness tips, and the occasional avocado toast recipe. But how did this all happen? Well, it's a classic case of, if you can't beat them, join them, and boy, did they join in style. Take Dr. Mike, for example. With his charming smile and relatable content, he's become a household name in the health and wellness space. He's not just a doctor, he's a social media sensation. His videos blend medical advice with humor, making health information accessible and entertaining. Who knew learning about the importance of hydration could be so fun? It's like having a cool friend who happens to have a medical degree. These influencers have a unique ability to shape health trends, often turning the latest fad into a viral sensation. One day, it's all about intermittent fasting, and the next, everyone is raving about the benefits of cold showers. It's as if they have a crystal ball for what's trending in wellness. But let's be real. Comparing influencers to traditional health experts is like comparing a smoothie bowl to a plain old salad. Both have their merits, but one definitely looks better on Instagram. As we navigate this influencer-driven world, it's essential to sift through the noise and find what truly works for our health. After all, your wellness journey should be as unique as your favorite influencer's smoothie recipe. When it comes to health advice from social media influencers, it's a classic case of the good, the bad, and the filtered. Let's start with the good. Many influencers share genuinely beneficial health tips that can promote well-being. From simple workout routines to nutritious recipes, these influencers often inspire their followers to adopt healthier lifestyles. Who wouldn't want to try a delicious quinoa salad after seeing it beautifully plated on a sun-drenched kitchen counter? It's like a culinary Instagram fairy tale. However, not all that glitters is gold. The bad side of influencer health advice often comes in the form of misinformation and unrealistic health standards. One day, you might see an influencer touting the miraculous benefits of a detox cleanse, while the next, they're promoting a weight loss pill that sounds more like a magic potion than a legitimate product. This can lead to confusion and, worse, unhealthy habits. Remember, just because someone looks fabulous in a bikini doesn't mean they have the secret to eternal health. And let's not forget the filtered lifestyle that many influencers portray. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that everyone is living their best life, complete with perfect skin, flawless abs, and a never-ending supply of green juices. But let's be real. Even the most polished influencer probably has a stash of pizza rolls hidden in their freezer. So, while it's great to be inspired, it's essential to keep a sense of humor and remember that real life isn't always as picture-perfect as it seems. Balance is key, and your health journey should be uniquely yours, filter-free. In the ever-evolving world of health and wellness, influencers are at the forefront, promoting the latest trendy health choices that can leave us both inspired and scratching our heads. Take detox teas, for example. These colorful brews promise to cleanse your body and help you shed those pesky pounds. But let's be honest, if sipping on a cup of herbal tea could magically erase last weekend's pizza binge, we'd all be supermodels by now. While some people may find a boost in hydration or a moment of mindfulness, others might just end up running to the bathroom more than they'd like to admit. Then there are fitness challenges, which can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, they can motivate people to get moving and build a sense of community. On the other hand, They can lead to injuries or burnout when people push themselves too hard to keep up with the latest 30-day squat challenge. Remember, folks, your body isn't a machine. It's more like a quirky old car that needs a little TLC. And let's not forget the absurdity of some trends, like unicorn smoothies. Yes, you heard that right. These vibrant, rainbow-colored concoctions look like they were whipped up by a fairy godmother on a sugar high. While they might be Instagram-worthy, the reality is that they often contain more sugar than a candy store. So, while it's fun to indulge in these trendy health choices, it's essential to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism and a sense of humor. After all, your health journey should be about balance, not just chasing the latest fad. When it comes to influencer-promoted health choices, it's essential to separate the hype from the science. Many influencers make bold claims that can sound enticing, like, "This superfood will change your life," or "This detox will cleanse your soul." But before you jump on the bandwagon, let's take a moment to delve into the medical insights behind these claims. For instance, while certain superfoods like kale and quinoa are indeed nutritious, they're not magical elixirs that will instantly transform you into a health guru. Evidence-based research shows that a balanced diet, rich in a variety of foods, is what truly supports overall health. Consulting healthcare professionals before diving into the latest trend is crucial. After all, your doctor isn't just there to hand out prescriptions. They're your personal health detective, equipped with the knowledge to help you navigate the sometimes murky waters of wellness advice. So, before you start chugging that green juice that promises to detoxify your entire existence, it might be wise to check in with someone who actually studied medicine. And let's not forget the overly dramatic health claims that influencers often make. You know the ones. "This one weird trick will melt away belly fat," or "Say goodbye to aging with this magical cream." It's almost as if they're auditioning for a role in a soap opera. While it's fun to be swept up in the excitement of new health trends, remember that real health is a journey, not a quick fix. So, keep it light, stay informed, and don't forget to laugh at the absurdity of it all. In a world overflowing with health advice from influencers, it's more important than ever to make informed choices. With just a few taps on your phone, you can find a plethora of tips, tricks, and trends that promise to revolutionize your health. But before you dive headfirst into the latest fad, let's talk about how to critically evaluate that advice. First off, always check the source. If the person promoting a miracle cure is also selling it, you might want to take their claims with a grain of salt, or maybe a whole salt shaker. Next, look for credible health information from reputable organizations or professionals. If a post claims that eating chocolate cake every day will lead to eternal youth, it's probably time to consult a registered dietitian or your friendly neighborhood doctor. Personal research is key. Don't just take an influencer's word for it, dig a little deeper. A quick Google search can reveal whether that life-changing supplement has any scientific backing or if it's just a clever marketing ploy. And let's not forget the humor in all of this. Remember, not everything on social media is true. If you see a post claiming that a certain fruit can cure all ailments, just picture a world where we're all walking around with pineapple hats, convinced we're immune to everything. While it's fun to explore new ideas, it's essential to keep a healthy dose of skepticism. So, the next time you come across a health tip that sounds too good to be true, ask yourself, is this a miracle cure or just another social media myth? Your health deserves the best, so make those informed choices. As we wrap up our exploration of the impact of social media influencers on health choices, it's clear that these digital personalities wield significant power in shaping our wellness decisions. From trendy detox teas to the latest fitness challenges, influencers can inspire us to adopt healthier habits, but they can also lead us down a path of misinformation and unrealistic expectations. It's essential to remember that not every health claim you see online is backed by science, and a little skepticism can go a long way in protecting your well-being. Being mindful of the information you consume is crucial. Always check the credibility of the sources and consult healthcare professionals before diving into new health trends. Your health journey should be informed and personalized, not just a reaction to the latest viral post. So, the next time you find yourself tempted by an influencer's miracle product, take a moment to pause and evaluate whether it truly aligns with your health goals. If you enjoyed this discussion and want to stay updated on more engaging content about health, wellness, and the world of social media, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends who might also benefit from a little guidance in navigating the influencer landscape. Together, we can make informed choices and create a healthier community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.